Alright, so we are on our way to Gili. Here we go. Alright, arriving in Gili. Alright, so we arrived in. This is where we're staying, so who knows what's behind this door. So let's go check it out. Wow. You can be deceived by the outside because the inside is just spectacular. Wow, very nice.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Wow, this is really nice. And we're going to be staying up there in that room, so let's go take a peek. All right, so we are at the Little Elephant Cottage right now, about a 10-minute walk from the port. Look at this room. This might be one of the prettiest rooms we've had, hon.
I know, it's gorgeous.
Right? Carrie will kill me if I put her in the video because we're all sweaty and nasty from our walk.
I know.
Nice little
I'm all
patio
bad.
out here. And then we'll show you the bathroom.
It's got an outdoor shower.
Look at this bathroom. Wow. This might be the prettiest bathroom we've had. Look at this outside shower. That is so cool. This place is really nice.
There's a tree in here.